You're trying to focus, relax, or fall asleep, but the world around you won't quiet down. Traffic, chatter, or random background noise keeps breaking your concentration. What many people don't realize is that your iPhone 17 can play subtle background sounds that mask distractions and help you stay calm, focused, or comfortable. No extra apps needed. Here's how to turn on and manage background sounds. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the Hearing section, tap Audio and Visual. Next, tap Background Sounds. Turn on the switch next to Background Sounds to enable the feature. Once it's on, your iPhone can play gentle sounds that reduce distractions, improve focus, and even help with tinnitus-related discomfort. To change the sound, tap Sound. Choose the background sound you prefer, like airplane or quiet night. Your iPhone will download the sound and apply it automatically. You can also adjust the volume by dragging the slider left or right until it feels comfortable. If you want the sound to continue while watching videos or listening to music, turn on Use when media is playing. You can also fine-tune how loud the background sound is compared to your media using the separate volume slider. Tap Play Sample to hear a preview of the sound. For more personalization, turn on Equalizer and adjust the balance to match your listening preference. If you want the sound to stop automatically, turn on Stop Sounds with a timer and set your preferred duration. And if you don't want background sounds playing when your phone is locked, turn on Stop Sounds when locked. You can come back to this menu anytime to tweak the settings based on your environment or routine. And that's it. If this helped you create a calmer experience on your iPhone 17, give it a like or watch another tutorial to unlock more features designed to make your phone work better for you. Thanks for watching.